If you've ever felt overwhelmed shopping for car insurance, you're not alone. Today we're breaking down Jerry Insurance, an app that claims to make the whole process effortless. By the end, you'll know exactly whether it lives up to the hype and if it's worth your time. Jerry launched in 2017 as an all-in-one insurance comparison platform and licensed broker. Instead of calling around or filling out quote forms on different websites, you download the Jerry app and compare offers from over 50 top providers, including State Farm, Geico, and Progressive. And they're not stopping at insurance anymore. They've also started adding car-related services like loan refinancing and maintenance cost estimates. What sets Jerry apart is how automated everything is. One standout feature is called Price Protect. Once you're signed up, Jerry automatically shops for new rates before your policy renews. You don't have to manually start the process. They do it for you and alert you if you can save. Let's quickly talk pros and cons based on what users report. On the positive side, the interface is simple and easy to navigate, making it super quick to compare and buy a policy. It's available in every state and gives you access to a large network of carriers in one place. On the downside, the convenience comes with limited human interaction. If you're someone who wants to talk through options with a live agent, that might feel like a drawback. A few users have also said the app setup can be a bit confusing at first. Now, here's where Jerry really stands out. The switching process is fully automated. They handle comparisons, the paperwork, and even the policy switch, start to finish inside the app. Competitors like the Zebra often make you finalize everything directly with the insurer yourself. Jerry skips that hassle. Then there is the continuous price monitoring. Quote and similar services focus on one-time comparisons, but Jerry keeps checking your rate before renewal so you're not stuck overpaying without realizing it. For anyone who values saving time and avoiding tedious calls, this is a huge plus. Who benefits the most? Drivers who want a fast, efficient comparison without jumping between websites, and people who like automation doing the heavy lifting. No back and forth with agents, no forms on repeat. So, here's the bottom line. Jerry Insurance delivers on its promise of convenience. The automated system, ongoing price monitoring, and wide range of providers make it one of the most user-friendly ways to shop for car insurance. It could grow by expanding beyond mostly auto coverage, but for what it offers right now, it's impressive, especially if you're tired of comparing rates manually. If you're looking to save money without the headache, Jerry is absolutely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you've tried Jerry or if there's another platform you want reviewed next.